and 15 gallons. This green part, you leave above the soil line, so it keeps them from going over. But it keeps your roots safe, and you're not going to lose your plant. If you want to grow blueberries, you really do need to give them as much sunlight as you can. You know, they thrive on sunlight. Any kind of fruit does survive on that. Also, a good soil that's fertile. If you don't have that, amend it, and add peat moss, of course, for your acidity. Hi, I'm Barbara Schindler. I'm from Cherry Lane Nursery in Arroyo Grande, and I'm standing at the lovely Windmill Farms.